it's Noe with WTI, and if you've been looking for a ladder shelf, then let me introduce to you this beautiful 5-tier ladder shelf from Lovitgo. One of my favorite features is this charging station. So on the 3rd tier, it comes with 2 standard plug outlets, 1 USB-C, and 1 USB. Whatever type of device you need to charge, you can charge it on this station. Assembly is required with this piece, so I would say having 2 people would make the job easier. Another neat feature is that it comes with a drawer. I love that we're able to put all of our electronic devices in there, so if we don't want them on display, we can tuck them away and it will look nice. I personally love to display my plants on this ladder shelf, but I can imagine you can use it for books, for pictures, if you have special knickknacks, or even using it to display trophies. I love the height between each of the shelves, and I love the depths between each of the shelves. I think this is a beautiful color. So if you've been looking for a beautiful ladder shelf that can hold a lot, but also can be used as a charging station, then you're going to love this 5-tier ladder shelf from Lovitgo. And that's my point of view.